For educational purposes, on an authorized lab target, never test a system without written permission. A full pen test, live, from reconnaissance all the way to root, guided by the AI Pentest Wizard. Phase 1, Reconnaissance. You describe your target to the assistant, and it tells you what to run. You simply type, Authorized Lab, where do I start? The AI recommends a full nmap scan and gives you the exact command to copy. You run it in your terminal. 4 services respond, including an Apache 2.4.49 server. You paste the scan output straight into the assistant. Phase 2, Exploitation. The AI extracts 2 critical findings and picks the attack vector. First flaw, CVE2, 021-4, 1773, a path traversal on Apache. Reading a sensitive system file confirms the vulnerability. The assistant moves on to remote command execution through mod-CGI. Code execution works. You're now running as www-data. Phase 3, you stabilize access with a reverse shell. The shell comes in and the first flag, the user flag, is captured. Phase 4, Privilege Escalation. The AI points you to the sudo-l command. The result, Python 3 runnable as sudo with no password, a direct path to root. The assistant gives you the exact escalation command, and it's root. The root flag is captured. Full compromise of the machine. Phase 5, Reporting. You ask for the report, and the AI compiles everything automatically. Findings, CVSS scores, the full attack path, and recommendations. A professional report, ready to hand over, generated in 1 click, from reconnaissance to root, guided by the AI at every step. The AI Pentest Wizard at pentestmindmap.com. Limited access. The first subscription spots are going fast. Access will be closed once the quota is reached. Reserve yours now.